Yep, that's staying in. What's up, guys? Welcome back. We are on the side part of the shop because this is where Mike's 335 is. I think you guys have seen this on the channel with Racing Shane's truck. It's a big boost 335 XI F-Series. He's got a whole lot done to it, but...
Do you see anything wrong here? No. We got no windows, do we? No, do we? No, do we? No, it's not.
And we don't have any engines because about a month ago it started knocking, and knocking hard, and this was after a few track days, but what can you do? So he finally got around to pulling it and saw that it's just completely garbage. So now it's going to be getting a fully built motor put into it as well, along with Chad's, which, funny enough, that's also over there too. Alright, so here's Mike's motor that he pulled out in a couple hours. I told him to record it, and you know, he didn't record it like normal. Fixed. Lug nut. Got it. So Mike, what happened to it? Did you lose oil pressure? What'd you do? Because that journal bearing right there looks bad.
I said YOLO and sent it on a cold engine.
You'll have that on these big jobs. So looks like number 6 got messed up. Number 1 was a little iffy. It looks like, I don't know why it's so much darker than the other rods. Oh, look at that windage tray. That got melted. So probably got extremely hot. Why does BMW use a plastic windage tray?
Mine's metal.
Yeah, metal.
By the way, speaking of windage trays, did you see what didn't come back with my Gassan engine?
Wait, we can't say that, can we?
Yeah, we can. We didn't sign a contract.
Can we say Gassan engine?
Yep.
This is your second Gassan engine, right, Chad?
Hey, but that's for Chad's video. You guys will see that in the next one. Okay, so Mike, what's the plan with the car? What are we doing?
Full rotating assembly with a forged crank.
Forged crank, forged rods, pistons, all that good stuff.
Yep.
Big boost turbo.
Probably switch to a Precision 6266.
Ooh, a little bit bigger turbo. Do you need more fueling? Because I know you got the FX 180. We are in the middle of something.
Can you hand me the 1-inch extension out of my tray?
So, do you need more fueling or not?
Just injectors for right now.
Injectors. We do have the new injectors that just came out for the M55 series.
Nordstrom's?
Yeah. Supposedly you can have like all the E85 without additional fueling. So that should be pretty fun. How much power are we going to be able to run?
I don't know.
You think 700?
I think I'm gonna solid rear axle, back half my car, and then call it the fastest BMW.
Ooh, that's cool.
You know what you should do?
It's kind of like I have the highest horsepower E36. It's basically stock.
I've got the coolest all-wheel drive wheelie car.
This is not your video. That's next. Well, that'll be fun. What's the timeline for all this?
It needs to be done by April.
So...
No way.
You asked, you shall receive.
But hopefully I got some footage of Mike racing this car. I'll cut that in through the video, as you can see, at some point. It did almost get gapped by this 10,000-pound truck at the racetrack.
Not even close.
Oh, you fun.
Hey,
Yeah.
I know why I drove that truck.
It's pretty fast.
Dude, this thing's a dog.
But that's it for Mike's video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Mike's video?
Yes, that's it. Hopefully Mike's gonna have a camera set up, and we're gonna record
Like your video
this
sucks,
breakdown. Or we might continue it, but
That was
who
already
knows?
broke down.
Hey!